Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a policy to your Shopify store in 2023. Having a clear and comprehensive policies on your online store is essential to establish trust with your customers and ensure a positive shopping experience. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to add various policies such as refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service to your Shopify store. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start, or before adding like the policies to your Shopify store, it's important to understand the different type of policies you may need. The three common policies are a refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. A refund policy outline your store policy on return and refunds. A privacy policy explain how customers' data is collected, used, and protected, of course. And of course, terms of service outline the terms and conditions that govern the use of the website or of your website, your Shopify website, of course. So let's start by creating your policies. Of course, create your policies based on your business practices and legal requirements. You can consult like a legal template or seek professional advice to ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations in your country. So that will depend, of course, on the country that you're living in. You can even customize the policies to align with your brand's voice and values. Then, of course, you'll have to go and access your Shopify admin dashboard. So go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use in any other browser that you are going to use. Whatever preferred browser you have, go and open up. Go to this URL section, type shopify.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, here you'll have to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just click on get free trial and get started. And of course, you'll get a free trial days on any store that you'll open. If you don't know much about Shopify, you can always scroll down, read more about it. But if you are in this video, you'll probably have a store. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my store or into my account. And for you, you'll have to go and access, of course, you to your Shopify admin dashboard. Simply, once you do so from the dashboard, make sure to navigate into the settings. Once you navigate into the settings, you'll have to go and select legal from the drop down menu. And this where you'll manage your policies, or if you didn't find legal, you may find policies like me. So click on policies, as you can see here. And of course, as you can see, we have here return policy is off and privacy policy, nothing in here. Rights in the return and refund policy, nothing in here. Terms of service, nothing in here. We can even find other policies like, as you can see, shipping policy, nothing in here. Contact information is nothing in here. And same is going to be for terms of sales and legal notice. So let's start by adding an example, a refund policy. Let's just go up here and simply go and turn that on. So as you can see now, once it's turned on, or before even turning it on, we'll have to go and click on, let's just turn it off first. We'll have to go and create from templates under this refund policy section. Once you click on it, Shopify, of course, will provide for you a refund policy template that you can customize to fit your specific needs. You can edit the content to reflect your store refunds and return policy. Be clear about any time frame, conditions, or exceptions that apply. So as you can see, we have here the refund policy that Shopify gets for us. And of course, we can edit whatever we didn't like. Depending on whatever you want, of course, you can even replace with a template if you want to. For me, I'm just going to let it as it is. And as you can see here, returns accepted for 13 days. Free shipping or free return shipping, no stocking fees, no final sale item. You can manage those options. So as you can see, leave a page with and save changes. Now we'll have to save, of course. So make sure to go and hit the save at the top option and click on manage now. And now we'll be able to enter these policies or to change these policies however we want. So the return policy, I'm just going to put it like as an example, 14 days. Return shipping cost, customer provides like a return shipping or free return shipping, flat rate return shipping. I'm just going to list it free. Restocking fee, charge for restocking fee as an example. or I'm not just going to do it. And final sale item, specific collections or specific products, you can go and do whatever suits you. And once you're done here, you can simply go and hit the save button. As you can see now, let's just return to rules. So now if we go back to policies again, as you can see, you'll find new terms that you post. You can even like go to the self-serve returns. As example, there is this option of self-serve returns. You can turn it on if you want people to do it. So allow customers to request and manage returns on their own from their account. Customize what your customers can return with the return rules from here, of course, and you'll be able to do whatever you want here. Other than that, of course, let's just scroll down to the privacy policy. Now, let's just add the privacy policy as an example. Of course, we can always go and click on create for template. And as you can see, they will create a privacy policy for us. Shopify will help us a lot, as you can see. It's help us kind of with everything. So read it all. And if you have like an existing privacy policy, you can copy and paste it here into the editor, or you can use the privacy policy generated by Shopify, or you can consult like legal resources to create a comprehensive policies and ensure that you address data collection and storage and users practice. Scroll down a bit, and now we'll have to go and add the terms of service. So in the terms of service section, you'll have to always click on create from template or create from scratch. You may have it. And of course here, Shopify provides also a default template that you can modify and customize the terms and conditions to reflect your store policies to and write the responsibilities of both you and your customers. So you can read it all and change whatever you didn't like about it or change whatever you want. Of course, everything you change, make sure to keep hitting the save button so you are good to go. And other than that, you can add other policies that I told you before, like shipping policy, contact information, terms of sales, and legal notice. Once you're done with everything, or once you've created and customized your policies, you can create or click on the save button, as I said before, to publish them. After publishing each policy, you will have a unique URL. You can copy the URL of each policy and paste it on the buttons on your store. And of course, you can add your policy links as we said on your store, then customize the appearance of them. And since you can go and open a new tab on your browser, go to your store and test if everything is working. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added your policies to your Shopify store in 2023. By creating a clear, comprehensive policies, you establish trust with your customers and demonstrate your commitment to provide a positive shopping experience. Remember to regularly review and update your policies to stay compliant with your changing like regulations and business needs. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your Shopify store, and I'll see you in the next video.